So yeah, these falls are a really popular tourist destination here in Helen. And this taller one here is 150 feet high, and the shorter one is 50 feet high. So that means the taller one's just 40 feet shy of Niagara Falls. Pretty impressive. And if you look back here, there's a little ephemeral fall right here. At least that's what they call them in Yosemite. Let's see, check that out. Just a little trickler there. A little trickle in comparison to the two big ones we just saw. It's still really pretty. Alright, and there's the taller Dukes Creek Falls. There's another part of the falls. You actually can feel the mist spraying up